ever heard of or seen jelly melon before? It's definitely one of the stranger things that I have grown. So I'm going to talk about this, and then I'm also going to open it up so you can see what it looks like.
So this is jelly melon. It is actually considered a cucumber, and it's also known as African horned cucumber, horned melon, spiked melon, or Kiwano melon. And it is native to southern Africa. And this is what it looks like at an early stage, and if you're a millennial like me, you might be reminded of the popular jewelry from Claire's from the late 90s, early 2000s. And here it is, much larger. They're truly ripe when they turn orange on the outside, but you can eat them at any stage, and you can also pick them and they will ripen off the vine. They are very spiky and sharp, so I would use a lot of caution. I am sure that you could snip the sharp parts off to make it easier to consume, but that also seems tedious. But I'm just going to carefully cut into this one. And you can see what a neat neon green color it is inside. And the texture is mostly just goopy, lots of seeds. It's very slimy, so it is kind of weird to eat it, but I read that this is used as one of the few water sources in the Kalahari Desert, which I think is interesting. And taste-wise, to me, it tastes like a banana, actually. I feel it does take a lot of effort to consume, though. And like I said, it's also very seedy. You can eat the peel, but again, with the spikes, I don't want to deal with them, so I won't try it. Productivity-wise on the vine, I actually only had 2 total come off of one plant, and it could have been my error. Maybe it didn't get enough sun or enough nutrients, so I can't really say that it was super productive for me. That being said, I would grow this again, but I don't know that I would grow it every year for space reasons, but if I had space, I'd be willing to try growing it again. One other thing that I want to note is that I am making this video at the end of March, and I actually harvested this way back in November, and I just left it on my counter. I kind of forgot about it, to be honest, but I needed to make some counter space, so I decided to finally cut into this one. I had tried the first one right after harvesting it, though, but it really does seem like these have a really great shelf life because this one didn't get soft or mushy in a bad way because remember, it's very slimy on the inside. So it is going to be a little squishy regardless, but the peel didn't pucker or change color or have any spots on it. It doesn't smell bad. It smells very pleasant and appetizing, and I'm sure it'll taste fine too. So there you have it, jelly melon. Definitely give it a try if you're interested, and if nothing else, it'll make a great conversation piece to talk about something unique to grow.